Hi friends, welcome to my channel Laxmiles 31. I am Sai Lakshmi. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I am going to talk about tree map in Tableau. Tree map. Tree maps are used to display the data in nested rectangles. We can use dimensions to define the structure of the tree map, and we can use measures to define the size or color of the individual rectangles. Tree maps are a relatively simple data visualization that provides business insights in a visually attractive way. Let me show you how a tree map can be created and how it will look like. I am opening Tableau application. I have the tree map created. It's a very simple and very easiest way of creating a tree map. This is a simple tree map structure. I have it already. Let me create in front of you. I am clicking on new sheet. I am taking a dimension. As I said earlier, I am taking category dimension in the column shelf, and I am taking sales in the row shelf. So it has created a bar chart by as soon as I place category and sum of sales. Now I am clicking on the show me palette and selecting tree map. Now the tree map has been created. I am renaming it as tree map. Dimension. Now let me create another tree map to explain the tree map in a better way. Now I am taking subcategory and sales. I'm placing it in the row shelf. Now a bar chart has been created again, and again I'm clicking on the show me palette and selecting tree map. The reason why we select tree map is when we have large amount of data, huge amount of data, tree map is a better way to display the data visually better, and it also helps us to take the decisions easily. As you see here, we have a legend over here, sum of sales, which is the least value 3024 and the highest value is 3,30,007 is the highest value. So the least value will be displayed in a teal blue, a pale blue, and the highest value will be displayed in the thickest color of blue, which is navy blue over here. As soon as you see this, you will be able to understand phones have the highest sales over here, and then we have chairs, then storage, and then tables. This way you are able to understand which subcategory is doing well. Earlier also we did the same in the category by using category. Since we have three categories, it is very easy for us to identify which is doing better even with the bar chart. When we have large volume of data, this is also slightly better. Let me duplicate the same thing to explain better. I am clicking on the show me palette and selecting the bar chart again. So this way also we can accommodate all subcategories in bar chart. But the thing is, when we have more subcategories, roughly we have 20 to 20 subcategories over here. When we have hundreds of subcategories, it is difficult for us to accommodate everything in a single bar chart, because when we have hundreds of subcategories, how it will look like is we will get a scroll bar. We have to scroll up and right or left or up and down or left or right. Likewise we have to scroll down, up, likewise. So to avoid, and it is difficult for us to take decisions by doing that. when uh, when we do select tree map for the same, it is easy for us, like it will accommodate everything in a single chart, and we are able to understand the data better, and we are able to take the business insights at a glance. Let me take another example and show you why I am saying this. I am taking state and placing it in the column shelf, and I'm taking sales in the row shelf. We have, see, we have more number of states. I don't know how many we have. Roughly we have, I think, 40 to 50 states we have over here. So there is a scroll bar over here. We have to scroll every time and read the values. I am enabling the labels to see the values, and though we sort it in a decreasing order or ascending order, sorry, in a descending order or ascending order, it is difficult for us to make a business decision based on this, because we have to scroll right, left, up, down, likewise. So I am duplicating the same and changing it to tree map. Now you see, right, without any scroll bar we are able to accommodate all the states, and it is displaying better in a single chart, and everything is looking clear, I mean visualizing clearly, and the hierarchy is there, so that we are able to identify. I am enabling the label, and we have the label already, sales. I'm selecting sales and dropping in the label shelf. We are able to see the values, states, everything. Hierarchy is ready, and we are able to take the decisions clearly, and everything is at one place. We don't have to scroll down or up or left or right, anything. We don't have to do anything. Just at a glance we can able to identify the data which is doing better or which is not doing better, and we can able to take a decision easily. Now we have the California on the top, which has the sales of 4,57,688, and we have a least sales of North Dakota, least sales registered in North Dakota. The same way West Virginia, Wyoming. Likewise we have multiple states which has different sales value recorded, and based on the color given over here, I mean the legend is specifying which has the highest value is registered with the thickest color and the least value in the pale color. So we are able to identify the highest value with the color, and we are able to take the decision easily. This is it. This is how we can create a tree map, and this is how we can use it in our dashboards or visualizations. Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmails31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share, and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.